When scanning, the Peel 2 scanner can position itself with geometry, color or targets on the object. So we have here an object with a single color and no targets and not very much geometry. As you can see, the scanner is occasionally losing lock on the object. So now is the time to try some targets. You need to apply targets randomly over the surface of the object about 4 to 10 centimeters apart. So we've applied all our targets. Let's try scanning again. You'll see that acquisition is much faster, there's no loss of lock, and you can complete the scan very efficiently.